Presenting the 2008 Holden Commodore.
You can be accelerating down the highway in this excellent vehicle that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, an adjustable tilt steering wheel.
Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride.
Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.